My name is Hassan Bayero. I'm from Nigeria and I studied software engineering. So yeah, it's a very proud day for me as a Nigerian to visit something like this, a huge gathering of the D8 that started in the 1997, which is a very great thing to be here on behalf of all my brothers. Nigeria, as you know, is a country of almost 250 million people. We have a great, vast population of the youth, and we have a lot of agricultural resources, and we're very rich in culture. So it's a very great thing to be part of something like this. It's a huge and wonderful opportunities, and I think Nigeria is going to be a very great partner in this D8 thing. So I would like to thank all the people that were part of the making, especially the late Professor Dr. Najmatin Erbakan, who made sure this thing has happened. Well, it's very unfortunate what is happening to our Palestinian brothers, and I think all the countries, it's not just a religious thing. Now we're talking about the whole humanity. We need to really do something. We need to really pay attention, and we need global attention. We need all the rights of the Palestinian people. It's not just about them. Like, we're doing it for ourselves. We're doing it for our children, for our unborn children. It's a legacy, and it's a shame that everyone is trying to keep quiet about it, because it has been a very, very such a disastrous thing, and I think it needs more global attention from all the countries, from all the world, from all the people that listen. We need to stand for Palestine, because when you stand for Palestine, you're not standing for the country, you're standing for your brothers, you're standing for your fellow humans as well. So I think it needs more global attention than it's already gotten, and it's really unfortunate because we're not doing as much as we should do. Yeah, of course, like we need to make a call to the whole Islamic community, to the whole Islamic leaders, because, you know, being Islam, like, one of the core things about Islam is brotherhood. We need to be our brothers' keepers. We need to go out. It doesn't matter the economy, whatever, everything. We need to do it. We need the leaders, because it's only the leaders that can actually make the people listen. We need a global attention. We need people to keep talking about this Palestinian thing. We need the global, especially the Islamic world, to pay attention. Because if it's not Palestine, it could be you next. It's not about Palestine anymore. After Palestine, it's going to be the Middle East. So we need to stand out for the whole Palestinians.